Tuna abana Ningthianhoih. Repeat and could be
So I hope you know what I mean when I say, let me take you dancing. Two step to the bedroom. We don't need no dance floor. Let me see your best move. Anything could happen. Ever since I met you, no need to imagine. Baby, all I'm asking is let me take you dancing.
Like da 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 da.
That was pure fire on the stage. What I mostly love about your performance was that your facial expression and your energy was on point. And there are so many big stages out there waiting for you. So keep it up, and I wish you very good luck.
Hello, con hiểu tú quá.
We dance academy.
Oh, khut beng ni we, siya mama kipa wai mama.
Tuna abana dingina zone Liansang samdinga.
I see dead eyes on the verge of suicide. I realize it's not alright. I'll find my way to idolize it. In my eyes, I reach the sky.
Running out of breath, I've been running out of energy. Telling all our friends you don't wanna be a fan of you, making up lies while I'm getting all the penalties. I wanna talk about us without talking to the enemies. I've been broken down like my food in my stomach, hating these feelings, but act like I love it. I don't wanna cheat now, I want fair play. I don't wanna cross lane like an airplane.
I want you back, but no way act like that. Like a one-sided talk, you don't call me back. Yeah, times were hard when you left, they got harder. I'm a bed got colder and my room got darker. I'm still in love, I know, so are you. Why pray for the rain where the skies are blue? I'm still in love, I know, so are you. Let's talk tonight and we can talk it through.
I see
dead eyes on the verge of suicide. I realize it's not alright. I'll find my way to idolize it. In my eyes, I reach the sky. Tell me if I'm lost and all the days it took. I gave you all I had without a second look, and I need breathing room. If I don't see you soon, I think I'll die inside. I'll blame it all on you. I think I'm done for good. It happened faster than it should, and now it's upside down. I must have misunderstood, but I still wish you were here, and maybe one day I will. And while I wait for you, I'll pop another pill.
Like long sleeve, I can see you're freezing. You know I'll stop your bleeding. Let's not make this hurt. Let's just hear we serve master badly. How this all happened. This world's a mess, so please don't leave us stranded. I'm swimming on the ocean of fear. Back where we started, no closer it's here. I think maybe you start to disappear as I cope with these emotions. I don't wanna get closer. I see dead eyes on the verge of suicide. I realize it's not alright. I'll find my way to idolize it. In my eyes, I reach the sky.
Yai talent han him ma hitidan deu ne banga rap to sak la sak khom chi om ngei ke ya yai pen kha ken idea ka sama ma tua na hon rap ule ken asia ka sakya ma ba na leng yai sang a hoi zwa hun perform thei dina panon laun
Ekipa.
Okay, tiba hin na min khat bo se kiziden Jailes kitihin nang teni duo min ham. Oh, duo min na your band name right Jailes.
I mean, hill hey le padea.
Hill na hill no mo na. Hill de let's ipite na hill ita.
City lights.
What?
City lights.
City lights. Wow, that's cool. City lights. Okay. Na hill thiwe organizer lang ho ko mana sayo ven lang. Ole tiba hin min khat bo min zone Liansang hilsia kiti ko pen ham. And what about your friend there?
KKOs. KKOs.
Oh, nang min KKOs na.
Kastes ne mahila KKO sintin ka full name mahila jo thangsuan kho.
Okay, kasi nom cho hile chlaya just no zen and satan ho ilanga hina hip hop iti nga hile rap lang hi avang mama zingin. It's a good thing that you two showed up. It was something new for us, and rap cho hoin na hizong le la sa lampang chitem khat hin ha bol jawon in lang, and I want to see more from you guys.
Thank you.
contestant dele sam thai mama wa
Ating sabi ina, Shirang number 10, Hawinunfel. Don't get comfortable, look.
Sexy ladies want part with us. Yo, shake that thing, miss. Kinda shake that thing, miss. Donna, Jody and Rebecca. Woman, get busy. Just shake that booty non-stop. When the beat drop, just keep swinging it. Get jiggy, get pumped up, percolate. Anything you want, because it's oscillate the hip and down. Sexy ladies want.
It's the kind of beat that go.
ladies want. Sexy ladies want.
I'll be your naughty girl. I'll be your naughty girl. I'll be your naughty girl. And I came to the party. You ready?
Now this one dedicated to the girl with the angel face and the devil heart. You know, so ragamuffin checker, the most new pop players come to deal with the case. Step up my youth, hear this.
I know this little girl, her name is Maxine.
Abusada, abusada, mente.
Abusada.
Boom, 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 boom,
Another one.
Are you ready?
Before a man touch your waist, your waist, your waist, your waist, waist, your waist, your waist. Before a man
Wait.
waist, your waist, your waist, your waist, waist, your waist, your waist.
Hold up.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad chick, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room. Stand up, pull up,
Frank,
headshot,
Frank,
fade it,
Frank,
fade it.
Frank.
Miss me with that bullshit. You ain't really wild, you a tourist. I be blacking out with the purist. I made 100,000, then I freaked it. I made 500,000, then I freaked it. I bought an 87 for the weekend. This ain't what you want, this ain't what you want. This ain't what you want, this ain't what you want. Miss me with that bullshit. You ain't really wild, you a tourist. I be blacking out with the purist. I made 100,000, then I freaked it. I made 500,000, then I freaked it.
Hello, Phil.
Hi.
Are you tired? Yes. Huh? Okay, yes. Koi ham alel lo dina. Hey bon inja se minute ni bo se ke lama bon ke thi di dia. Ole na achu na lam na chu minute zar ham. 6. Oh, Betty. Thank you for the extra time. That was quite entertaining. Nang lama hi na yuk nahi na. Na energy ho, na energy. You are a very strong and fit girl, and I encourage you to maintain that. Your energy will be your strength. Okay. So in your moves, we are also very clean. Na lama chu minute ni bo siat lamong le chun na thu de tai on nang chu. Like it was like your tan na lam chu final performance da kilo win na. Tu ahi audition abon hi ta hi lam na so thia hi le. I'm very excited for your upcoming performance. I hope to see so much more, and I wish you all the best.